Cover point, deep square leg are the two fielders saving the boundary. Here comes Fazal. Outside edge straight away. A bit of awkward bounce. Oh, big swing outside the yaw stump. Better length and a wicket-taking length.
Third match they together put 58, and in the last match against Amushak, 92 runs.
Should be safe. Should be a couple of runs as well, showing the intent early on, Wafiullah. Beaten again. This is an excellent start. No, it's an outswing again and beats the outside edge. Excellent start by Fazal Haq Farooqi. Shot, give himself room. Wafiullah finds the gap behind point to bring up the first boundary. Top edge, deep wicket. No, goes for the boundary. No timing at all, but it's enough to go for the boundary, and back to back in two deliveries for Wafiullah. Attacking. Top edge, shot, third man in place and takes it. One shot too many, and Sharafuddin Ashraf strikes with Fazal Haq Farooqi taking an easy catch. After a couple of boundaries, trying to go for the third one. Miscues it. If he had gone with the turnover extra cover, would have been a better option. Gets the top edge and skip up. Sharafuddin Ashraf, he gives the breakthrough what the Knights were, the Sharks were looking for. With Fazal Haq Farooqi, he's one of those fielders. Shot, mid-off, and first Pagiza in the innings for the Misanek Knights.
Talks about the taste of the man, Sohas, asking for them to bat together. Khalid Anewal says, thank you very much. You put fielder wherever you want. I know where am I going to hit a shot. He gets this one under his eye and says, all right, let's try the long off.
Going with the swing. It was an outswinger for the right hander by Fazal Haq. Slow ball bouncer, too slow, sits up, and up is she played, and it goes to the boundary. It started well, but ended poorly by Fazal Haq Farooqi. Top edge, short fine leg says mine, and takes it. The fingertips does the job, and the big wicket of Rahmullah Gurbaz has been picked up by the Sharks.
Well, for a moment, Mohammad Gul might have had his heart in his mouth. It just popped out, but the fingertip held on to it.
The temptation was too much for Gurbaz. Short bounce to the leg side, probably about 55 to 60 yards. Early on, we mentioned as batters, you give yourself a little time in the middle to get used to the pitch conditions. But Gurbaz thought otherwise, took a major risk by going for that slog sweep and a good catch. The fingertips does the job. And Sharafuddin Ashraf. Is it taken? Oh, it is. What a catch. Hassan Ezekiel diving forward, never easy. I'm pretty sure the third umpire will be called, since the two umpires in the middle getting together. Yeah, I thought for a second the third umpire will be called for a replay, but I think the batsman is quite happy to walk off. That's a good catch. Never easy. Whether you're fielding in the boundary or in the 30-yard circle, dive forward and made it look easy. Hassan Ezekiel, as Sharafuddin Ashraf picks up his third wicket.
Very smart bowling that. First delivery bowled R1, coming back into Suhail. This one gave it a little air, little slower. He went for the drive, not to be there.
Audalta sapazda pore cut. Khalid che pas mashhur de amaga tar sara kai. پزړه پورې سلوریزا
متواتر رو به بهبود است و این هم شارت زیبا فوق العاده عالی، تایمینگ و پلیسمنت همکاری مثبت داره با خالد است که در مقابل هر نوع بالر مجرب در کل شرفالدین اشرف است که کارکردگی عمده را به خاطر تیمش امروز انجام داده و بالینگ خطرناک.
یوازې یو منډه ورکړه و 13 منډې 3 وکټې مسینک په پاور پلی کې